Audi 48-volt generator controller disassembly steps. First, unscrew the bolts that secure the generator cover. After removing all the screws, using a small shovel to pry open the engine cover. After the generator cover is removed, then use a small shovel in combination with a small hammer. Separate the generator body from the controller. After separation, using boby, you can directly pry open the small controller. Disassemble according to the steps we take. Slowly, you will be able to take off the controller.